So hello people. So hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nisi. Welcome guys if it's your first time tuning in, and welcome back to all of my subscribers. So guys, I got a new what did I say now? Product. No, it's not product. What did I say? This would be some accessory. I was say a curling shit, what would you call this? Product would be here to, I don't know, whatever. Some stuff. Some stuff. So yeah, I got these online from the Hellooooo website. So I'm gonna be trying them in my hair to get me a nice curl. And it's like 30 in the package. And I bought 2 packs. Yeah, I got 2 packs. And they have like an instruction in there to the lady on there, and they got instruction on the back so you can see, and she show you how she curl her hair. And this is all they are. It's like 4 little blocks in the thing. So like 4, what the heck am I saying? 3, it's not 4, shit, it's 3 in there. And then you break them out just so, like this. There it is. I'm so excited to use these stuff. They feel so soft, so I know I'm gonna be getting a good sleep with them in my head. And that's it. It just brought them out. See? Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys how I put them in and try to see if I'm gonna like the curl. Hopefully I like the curl. So guys, stay tuned and go ahead, give this video a thumbs up because you're watching it, right? And go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you can know whenever I post a video. Did I mention the price for this? I don't remember, but yeah, they were how much of them? They were $10. I paid $10, $20. Oh my goodness, what the heck? What's wrong with me today? Okay, I paid $24, I think $24.99 for the product, which is $10 a pack. So it's 2 packs, so it's $20, and then I pay for shipping and handling for $4. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. So my hair is freshly washed. I'm just gonna be oiling it up with my aloe vera oil that I make, and I love these rubber bands that I pick up from Walmart. And this is how the back look. It was so easy to put in. So guys, let me show you how I did it. All right, here we go. Come on a little bit closer so you guys can see it. All right, that's perfect. So all I did was wrap my hair around the lock loop, as you could see in the video. It was so simple and easy. Anyone could do this.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating as she says, I don't wanna listen to a word you say, telling me what I can become. And I've been looking forward to this day, the day I prove you
Voila, is finally finished and one left over, but I did went ahead and put that one in. So this is the next day and my ring light decided to broke and I'm filming this outside, so I hope you guys seen the video perfectly with the curl, and I'm sorry for the image if it's not showing properly. And you guys want to be careful when you take out these lock loop, because pulling them too hard they're gonna snap because it's foam make them, so just be careful.
staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating as she says.
So this is what the lock loop look like after having them in my hair. And that one, yeah, it's not, but it still could use because it have a loop where you could push it through, but just be careful whenever you put them in.
This day, the day I prove you staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror